What's up, guys? Welcome to Driver J's Garage. My name is Josh and welcome to Tech Tuesday, guys. We are going to be doing another quick tech tip for the 2001 GMC Yukon that we have in our fleet. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going ahead and adding this guy to this guy. That would be adding a garage door opener remote to our GMC HomeLink system. It's actually really simple if you are just adding a new remote. So we're going to get started and we're going to show you guys how to do that, and we're going to do it real fast, and then we're going to show you opening the garage with it. So guys, first of all, we go ahead and hold buttons 1 and 3, which is the outside 2 buttons on the remote. We're going to watch those here until that light starts to flash. Once that starts to flash, we're going to attempt to program our remote. It'll take just a little bit of time here for that to start to flash. So now we've cleared any previous ones. Now we're going to go ahead and hold down our 2 buttons together. It's going to start to slow flash. Once it starts to fast flash, it will be programmed together, and then we can go ahead and hit our button and try to open the garage. So we're going to quick pull over to the garage right as soon as this is programmed and give it a whirl. So we're watching that light for the blinking. It's taking the programming. There it goes, it's taking the programming. And now we just zip over to our garage door and we're gonna go ahead and test out our newly programmed HomeLink remote. And now we should no longer need to carry a remote control unit for our garage door outside of our HomeLink, which is really slick. So it's nice that these have them built in. Several new vehicles have this. They are super easy to program in most cases, but check out your user manual or a quick Google search will also usually reveal that. Alright guys, now that we're at the garage door, we're going to go ahead and hit our HomeLink button right here. And as you'll see, right around there, our garage door is opening. So our remote is successfully programmed. Alright guys, with that, that is our setup of the GMC HomeLink adapter. And if you guys liked the video, go ahead and click the thumbs up. If you are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button up in the top right corner and the little bell to get yourself notified every time we create a new video here. Alright guys, we'll see you next time in the garage. Peace out.